Affiliate marketing for complete beginners, step by step, using 2025 guide. This is the simple path to your first affiliate income. Welcome here. I'm Coach Ade. If you ever said, I want to start affiliate marketing, but I don't know where to begin, then this video is your starting point. I'd advise you follow me thoroughly as I'll be sharing very good tips about how to start your affiliate marketing. Today, I'm breaking down affiliate marketing in the simplest, near beginner friendly 2025 ready way possible. No confusion, no complicated terms, just a straightforward, clear roadmap to your first commission. Let's begin. Part 1. What affiliate marketing really is. Affiliate marketing simply means the following. One, you recommend the product. Then somebody buys that product through your unique link. Next thing, you earn a commission. That is it. You don't create the product. You don't handle delivery. You don't even deal with customer services. Your only job is to connect people to solutions. If a product solves a problem and you show the right people how it helps them, you get paid. Affiliate marketing works on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikToks, blogs, Telegram, email, and even WhatsApp, because people everywhere are searching for solutions. Part 2. How affiliates get paid. There are different types of commission structures under affiliate marketing. The first one is what we call cost per sale, CPS. This means you earn a percentage of every sales made through your link. Example, you sell a $50 product and earn 30%, then your commission will be $15 per every sale. Then the second one is cost per action, CPA. People don't even need to buy, they just sign up, register, or take some actions. Then you get paid. Third one is recurring commissions. These are monthly commissions from software or tools. If someone stays subscribing, then you keep earning every single month. This is where long-term passive income starts. Part 3. What a beginner actually needs. Most beginners are overwhelmed because they try to do everything. But you only need these 3 things. 1, a niche. 2, a product. Then 3, a platform to share your message. A niche is simply a category you want to talk about. Is it money or technology or AI tool? Is it motivation, fitness, lifestyle, education? Just pick something you enjoy learning and talking about. Then, a product to promote. Choose a product that you understand very well and is useful to so many people and has good commission for you. Then ensure that product is what people are already searching for. Remember, a product to promote that you have to choose is one that is understandable by you, is useful to your audience, it has good commission for you, then people are already searching for it. Don't chase every product. Start with one, and that one should be a good product. Then the platform to share your message. You only need one platform to begin with, whether YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Pick just one and start consistent. Start being consistent. Part 4. Why most beginners struggle. It's not because they lack talent. It's because they don't follow a simple plan. Beginners often watch too many tutorials. They switch niches every week. Some promote 10 products at once. Some expect results in 48 hours. Then some post randomly without a plan. That is it. But affiliate marketing isn't about luck. It's about clarity, direction, and simple action done repeatedly. Then part 5, the simplest beginner's pathway. Here is the beginner's pathway that works in 2025. Step 1, just pick one niche. Don't scatter yourself. Step 2, pick one product and stay focused. Step 3, create simple content around that product that you have picked in step 2. You don't need to be perfect. Just make sure you share tips on that product, share tutorials, then how-to steps, then do the promotion, then share mistakes to avoid. Since you are sharing so much to your audience. Then step 4, add your affiliate link, place it in your description, in your bio, in your pinned comments, and in the link in your bio too. Step 5, stay consistent for say 30 to 60 days. This is where the magic happens. Your content starts ranking. People start discovering your videos and your first commission shows up. In part 6, you don't need to be an expert. You don't even need expensive tools. Your only needs are a clear niche, a good product, a simple content strategy, then consistent posting habits. Once you have these 4, you are okay to start. You are good to go. Start today. Don't overthink it. Your first affiliate income will follow your first consistent steps. If this helped you, like the video. If you want more information or beginner-friendly guides, subscribe and click the link in the description. They will help you start faster. I am rooting for your success story. Thank you.